Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ring doorbell mount is probably one of the most important accessories for your smart home security system, ensuring your Ring doorbell is optimally positioned for clear visibility and reliable performance. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the perfect mount for your needs, from considering different mounting options to troubleshooting common installation problems, so you can maximize the effectiveness of your Ring doorbell. And enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is secure. Number 5. DoorBellBoa Anti-Theft Mount. Tired of complicated doorbell installations? DoorBellBoa makes it easy to secure your video doorbell in seconds, no tools required. It's so simple. Just place your doorbell inside and slide it onto your door. You'll be protected in minutes. It's designed to keep your doorbell safe and sound. It can't be removed unless the door is open, preventing theft. DoorBellBoa is compatible with many popular video doorbells, including Ring, Blink, Arlo, and more. It's the perfect solution for renters and homeowners alike. Apartments, rentals, dorms, even businesses, it's versatile enough to work almost anywhere. Protect your home or business with ease. Get the security you deserve without the hassle. DoorBellBoa provides a simple, secure way to protect your video doorbell and your home. What we like. It sets up in seconds without any tools. Its unique design makes it impossible to steal unless you open your door, providing extra security. If you're a renter, frequently move, or need a secure solution for any door type, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It holds great. It doesn't mess with the motion detection outside and works great with my Ring. It was super easy to install and had a strong hold on the doorbell and my door. Perfect if you want your Ring installed in seconds. Super easy to install, just watch a YouTube video on it, there are plenty. This unit is fantastic. I have never had any problems with changing out the 2 Ring cameras I have, and it's easy to install each one in the DoorBellBoa. The sturdy unit and the additional sponge markers that come with it help to retain the secure hold of the anti-device with the Ring camera. It's secure and sturdy for any doorbell camera. I suspect it doesn't have to be a Ring, but it does have to fit in the mount. Number 4. OLAlKE Doorbell Mount. This mount is compatible with various video doorbells, ensuring a perfect fit for your home security needs. It's designed for easy installation and adjustment to your ideal viewing angle. It features waterproof caps and a rain shield, keeping it safe from the elements. Enjoy a clear view of your property, rain or shine. Adjust it 30 to 60 degrees to the left or right, ensuring optimal visibility of your front door and walkway. Get the perfect view every time. Made from high-quality PA-ABS material, it's built to withstand the test of time. The strong construction and stainless steel screws ensure lasting performance. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a free return or exchange within 3 months if any quality issues arise. What we like. Adjust its angle up to 60 degrees for the perfect view, rain or shine. The durable and waterproof design ensures it'll withstand any weather. If you need a reliable mount that provides optimal viewing angles in various weather conditions, this is for you. What people say. This is my second purchase of the holder. It's easy to use and install, allows for my Ring device to be angled to give me a wide view of my street and the front of my gate. Helps keep weather off Ring and allows better adjustments to angle. The OLAlKE waterproof adjustable angle mount for the Ring doorbell worked perfectly and was super easy to install. The setup was straightforward, and the mount fit my Ring doorbell like a glove. The adjustable angle feature is a great bonus, allowing me to customize the view to get the best possible angle for my front porch. Plus, the waterproof design gives me confidence that it'll hold up well in all weather conditions. Number 3. Ring No-Drill Doorbell Mount. Say goodbye to drilling. This mount lets you easily install your Ring video doorbell without any holes in your walls. It's quick, simple, and perfect for renters or homeowners who want to avoid damage. It's built to withstand the elements. The strong adhesive keeps it securely in place, rain or shine. You can trust it to protect your doorbell. Simply adhere it to a clean, smooth surface, then attach your Ring video doorbell. Setup is a breeze, and you'll be enjoying peace of mind in minutes. When it's time to remove it, just attach your doorbell and carefully peel away the adhesive strips. It's designed for easy removal without leaving any residue. This mount is specifically designed for the Ring Video Doorbell, 2nd generation, 2020 release. Its dimensions are 6.207 cm x 1.337 cm x 12.662 cm, and it operates in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius with 35% humidity. For best results, use it on even, smooth surfaces. Avoid brick, shingles, rough stucco, and glass. Always clean the surface before applying. What we like. This mount requires no drilling, making installation a breeze. Its strong adhesive keeps your doorbell securely in place, and it's weatherproof for lasting use. If you want a hassle-free, damage-free installation and reliable weather protection, this is the option for you. What people say. The no-drill mount is weatherproof, durable, and uses strong non-damaging adhesive to keep my Ring Video Doorbell 3 securely attached to the wall. The setup was incredibly easy. All I had to do was adhere the no-drill mount to the wall and then attach my Ring Video Doorbell 3 to the mount. It's designed to work with the Ring Video Doorbell 3, Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus, and Ring Video Doorbell 4, and it's weather resistant. Number 2. Ring Wired Doorbell Corner Kit. Get the best view of your doorstep with the Ring Video Doorbell Wired Corner Kit. It's designed to improve motion detection and give you a clearer picture of visitors. This kit is easy to install and comes with one mount. Simply attach it to your Ring Video Doorbell Wired, 2021 release, for a perfect fit. It lets you tilt your doorbell up to 25 degrees, so you can adjust the viewing angle to perfectly suit your home's architecture. With improved motion detection, it ensures you never miss a visitor or important event. It provides a wider field of view than a standard mount. It's paintable, so you can easily match it to your home's exterior. It blends seamlessly into your home's design. Remember, it only works with the Ring Video Doorbell Wired, 2021 release. Make sure you have the correct model before purchasing. This corner mount can be combined with a wedge mount for even more placement flexibility, but you cannot stack corner mounts together. What we like. It easily tilts your doorbell for a better view of your walkway, enhancing motion detection. Plus, it's paintable to match your home's aesthetic. If you need a simple solution to improve your doorbell's viewing angle and want a seamless look, this is perfect. What people say. Works as described and makes angle installations easy. This product is simple, and it works simply fine when you need a little more angel on your Ring doorbell to get the perfect picture of who's at your door. For my installation we had to use all the angled pieces together to get the angle needed. Simple, easy, and recommended. This is the perfect mounting system for a curved or angled wall near your front door. It now allows for the Ring doorbell to see a clear path from sidewalk to front door. I needed all three pieces to get exactly what I wanted. It also looks great. Number 1. Ring Doorbell Mount Adapter. This adapter is compatible with your original Ring doorbell and the 2nd generation. It's designed to improve your doorbell's viewing angle and is easy to install. It features a waterproof silicone seal, keeping it safe from the elements. This ensures your doorbell remains protected and functional, regardless of the weather. It lets you adjust the viewing angle from 30 to 55 degrees. This gives you greater control over what your doorbell sees. Installation is simple and quick, taking only 10 to 15 minutes. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. We stand behind our product. It comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Enjoy worry-free use. What we like. This mount offers an adjustable angle for optimal viewing and is waterproof for reliable outdoor use. It's compatible with various Ring doorbell models. If you need a versatile, weatherproof mount with an adjustable angle, this is the one for you. What people say. This mount worked great for the Ring camera at our front door. No more guessing who is standing there, as this mount gives the perfect angle for viewing. Easy to install with various angles for a great fit. This bracket is great. I like the fact that it has a wide range that you can adjust it to. Gets rid of most blind spots. Has a pretty good anti-theft setup too. The design of our entryway to our home made it very difficult for our Ring doorbell to work properly. It actually needed to be angled to achieve the proper notification from our Ring doorbell. This little device allowed us to angle it to look down onto the sidewalk so that we would be notified when people were approaching the front door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.